Welcome to MBTV News. This is Apeksha Gatre giving you today's news bulletin.
Navi Mumbai's wave of Ganpati Bappa on Anand Chaturdashi. Work pressure, fast life, heart attack cases seen increase among youth. One more year for the metro to run in satellite city. Message Survestor, authorities seem least bothered.
Ganeshotsav festival ended on Anant Chaturdashi. Ganpati Bappa Moria पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या. Saying this, Bappa was waved off on Wednesday.
गणपति बप्पा मोरया अगले बरस तू जल्दी आ गणपति बप्पा मोरया अगले बरस तू जल्दी आ गणपति बप्पा मोरया अगले बरस तू जल्दी आ गणपति बप्पा मोरया अगले बरस तू जल्दी आ।
Worshipping the favorite Ganpati Bappa for 10 days on Wednesday Anand Chaturdashi, Ganpati Bappa again returned back to their homes. In the atmosphere of Dhola and Tasha, Ganpati Bappa was welcomed in the city, giving the message Ganpati Bappa Moria, Pudcha Varshi Laukarya. Bappa was immersed. During immersion, devotees' eyes were filled with good tears. For the immersion of Bappa, Talao in the city were all set ready. To avoid any untoward incidents, security force was also deployed. After the immersion of Lord worship for 10 days, the houses were found empty. On 23 ponds of Navi Mumbai, immersion was concluded. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या गणपती गेले गावाला चैन पडेना आम्हाला was shouted by the devotees. On the Anand Chaturdashi 10-day, Ganpati immersion was concluded in the city. News Desk, MBTV.
Metro from 2015 will run in Navi Mumbai is appealed by CIDCO. 40% work is completed on this route, due to which it will be delayed for one more year to run in Navi Mumbai.
Navi Mumbaikas are waiting for starting the metro. CIDCO has said that from the year 2015, Metro Rail will be started running in Navi Mumbai. Looking at the work of metro route, 40% is completed, which will cause 1 year delay for the metro to run. Metro is the important project of CIDCO. Work of Belapur to Pendar route is almost at the final stage of completion, but only 40% civil work is completed for the metro to run. Technical work will also take time. Bogies for metro, signal, electricity supply, self-operated ticket machines. For all such, tenders are ordered from various companies by the authority. Navi Mumbaikars have to wait for some more time for the metro to run on the route. News Desk, MBTV.
Diwali Gaon's Ganpati Raja this year has completed its 50 years. Since 1964, Ganesh idol was worshipped here. Moving decoration is the main attraction this year.
गजानना ओम गजानना
गजानना
ओम गजानना ओम गजानना ओम गजानना ओम गजानना सिंदूर चर्चित गणरायाचे नाम स्मरूया चला ओम गजानना ओम गजानना ओम गजानना ओम गजानना।
Raja of the Balegaon is celebrating its gold jubilee this year. 50 years have been completed for this Ganpati Bappa. Late Shigma Kori and his wife late Dharmu Kori Bai had started to worship the Ganpati Bappa in the year 1964. Today this tradition is carried forward by the family.
1964 पासून आम्ही हे प्रोग्राम समजा गणेश उत्सव चालू केला आहे. तेव्हापासून आज 50 वर्षे होतात आणि 50वा वर्ष आम्ही यात साजर करत आहोत. म्हणून आम्ही सगळे भावंड एकत्र होऊन आमचा हा एवढ्या लोकांचा परिवार आज आम्ही सगळे एकत्र 50वा उत्सव चालू करतोय.
This year, the moving decoration is the main attraction. Decoration based on Sri Krishna turning into the fish is the story shown. Jap and Yog is mask given Ganpati Bappa is also shown in the decoration.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनो सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि
5000 वर्ष पहले हमारे देशवासी इसी वेद मंत्र का उच्चारण करके परम पिता परमात्मा से याचना करते थे, सबका भला करो भगवान, सबको सुख और शांति।
ओम नमो सूर्य नारायण नमः। मनु ऋषि एक दिन सूर्य को नमन कर रहे थे, तब उनके हाथों में एक छोटी सी मछली आई। तब एक आकाशवाणी हुई। कुछ दिनों बाद मनु ऋषि सोच में पड़ गए, हे प्रभु, ये मछली तो दिन ब दिन बढ़ती जा रही है। ये मछली मुझे कोई साधारण नहीं लगती। मैं इस मछली को समुद्र में छोड़ने जा रहा हूँ। हे मछली, मैं तुम्हारा पालन पोषण नहीं कर सकता, इसलिए मैं तुम्हें समुद्र में छोड़ रहा हूँ। तब एक आकाशवाणी हुई। रुक जाओ, मेरी बात ध्यान से अपने शिष्यों के साथ नाव बनाकर समुद्र यात्रा करते। कुछ दिनों में पृथ्वी पर महाप्रलय होने वाला था। सारी दुनिया जल में होने वाली है। उस वक्त मुझे याद मनु ऋषि की जाप ताप सच्चे आराधना के कारण स्वयं भगवान विष्णु ने मत्स्य अवतार में मनु ऋषि को इस महाप्रलय से बचाया। ऐसे ही आज के महाप्रलय से बचने के लिए हर मनुष्य को जाप ताप योग साधना करना अवश्य है। गणपति बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ति।
Around 20 days are took to complete this decoration. With the cooperation of all family members, the decoration is prepared using the thermocol.
जवळजवळ 20 दिवस गेले हे डेकोरेशन बनवायला. तरी आमचं वृष पंचमीच्या दिवशी जवळजवळ रात्री 1 वाजता हे डेकोरेशन पूर्ण झालं आणि आमच्या काका लोकांनी आम्हाला पूर्ण सपोर्ट दिला. या सजावटीसाठी 2 ऋषीमुनी आहेत, ते आपल्या थर्माकोलचे बनवलेले आहेत. प्लस जे तारो आहे ते पण थर्माकोलचं आहे, मासा पण थर्माकोलचा आहे. वर प्लास्टिकचा पाईप आणि त्यांना आम्ही ड्रिल मशीन होल पाडून त्याच्यातून तो पाऊस दाखवलेला आहे. जे वादळ वगैरे सुटते ना त्याच्यातून पाऊस पडतो ते दाखवलेलं आहे.
Decoration and the story which is shown is really attractive. All family members coming together for 10 days worships Lord Ganpati Bappa at home. Video journalist Amol Kamble with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
Well, it's time for a short break now. Stay tuned to MVTV.
सलोना देख के होने लगा है चर्चा शहर भर।
आसमान से परी उतर के आई है इस ज़मीं पर।
कला विधि का का तन मन उभर के आई जवानी, देख के हर कोई मुझे पुकारे आजा दिल की रानी। दुनिया सारी आज अचानक मेहरबान हुई मुझ पर,
आसमान से परी उतर के आई है इस जमीन पर।
कला विधि, कला विधि, कला विधि, कला विधि।
रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स का एक्सक्लूसिव शोरूम फॉर मेल, फीमेल एंड किड्स। डिजाइनर साड़ीज, ब्राइडल वेयर, पार्टी वेयर एंड कैजुअल वेयर, रंग बिरंगे कपड़े बाबा और बेबी के लिए। कलाविधि, शॉप नंबर 49 to 51, पटेल हेरिटेज, सेक्टर 7, खारघर, नवी मुंबई।
Welcome back after the short break. Fast moving life, work pressure is resulting on the hearts of Mumbaikars was brought into light by the survey done. Crossing 45 age, now the heart attacks are seen at the age of 30 increased by 30%.
Fast city life, working for more than 12 hours, no timetable to eat food, smoking, drinking, eating junk food, due to which number of heart attack cases are seen increase. Before, heart attacks were seen at the age of 45, but now the youth aging 30 are suffering from heart attack. The number is increased by 30% was brought into light according to the survey done. Men are suffered more than the ladies in heart attack cases. In the year 2010, among 1,750 people, 501 ladies and 1,249 men suffered from the heart attack. 2011, among 2,321 patients, 1,662 men and 659 ladies suffered from heart attack. This year, among 1,839 men, 795 ladies are suffered from heart attack. Changing lifestyle of people in the city, heart attack cases are increasing. Heart attack cases are more in the city compared with the villages was clarified in the survey. News Desk, MVTV.
Two bike-borne robbers had robbed away Sanpada resident of gold bangles worth rupees 5.5 lakhs on Monday. Watchmen present in the society premises incidents took place. CCTV cameras inside the building not working, leaving clueless to the police.
Sanpada Sector 9 Millennium Tower compound premises on 16th resident Shivraj Narendra Dhaneshwar was robbed away for 5.5 lakhs rupees 220 grams gold bangles. Robbers put a gun on his head and asked him to hand over the bag with gold bangles and freed away. Dhaneshwar deals with gold jewellery and supplies gold bangles to retailers in the city. On 16th Monday afternoon, he was returning after showing sample of pieces to retailers in Nerul. When the two robbers were already waiting inside the society, stopped their bike in front of Dhaneshwar's car, forcing him to apply the brakes suddenly. They put a gun to his head and asked him to hand over the bag with the gold bangles. The two fled away taking this bag. Since the incidents took place inside the society, the involvement of security guards will also be checked around. CCTV cameras installed inside the building are also not working, giving no clue. Outside vehicles not allowed is also the board seen displayed.
वो नेरुल से कार लेके आ रहे थे, किसी ने फॉलो रखा बाइक पे। गेट से अंदर आते ही जैसे उनकी कार अंदर एंटर हुई, पीछे से बाइक वाले आए, वो कार में से निकले, बैग लिया और कार लॉक की। उतने में से एक पीछे से बाइक पर से उतरकर सामने आया, उसने रिवॉल्वर दिखाई और उसने कहा कि बैग दे दो नहीं तो शूट करूँगा। तो मेरे हस्बैंड ने तुरंत बैग निकाल के उसके हाथ में दे दी।
When our MVTV team reached the society office, it was locked. Working hours for the office is from 12 to 8. Our team reached around 1:55. 1,500 is the maintenance charge took by the Society of the Millennium Tower, even after which the security is seen in the air.
ये नेग्लिजेंस की वजह से ही हुआ है। अगर वो प्रॉपरली कैमरा अगर रखते तो हमें कुछ क्लू मिलता था उसके। आज वो सीसीटीवी कैमरा बंद होने की वजह से हमारे हाथ में कोई क्लू नहीं आ पा रहा है।
Video journalist Amol Kamble with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
At Turbe stores near school, mess is seen all around. Foul smell is spread in the area. Even after this condition, authorities seem least bothered.
Jeevan Hindi School is located at Turbe stores, but in the whole area, mess is seen spread all around. All scrap material is seen lying. Gutters are also left open. Mess around and gutters left open is spreading foul smell in the area. Students coming to school may suffer from problems due to this unhygienic condition is the fear arose. Chemical drums are also seen lying as it is. Seeing this picture, negligence work of authority is brought into light. Civic authorities should look into this matter or the residents will have to face tough time. Video journalist Amol Kamble with Narendra Pandey, MVTV.
This is all we have in today's news bulletin. Have a good day. Keep watching MVTV.